So we did it! Snow Monkey Park. It's not a walk in the park. The Nagano Snow Monkey Park is about a 50-minute drive from where we were staying at the resort town of Nagano. Well, the scenery is beautiful, but you really have to keep your eyes on the road. There's ice all over the place during winter and early spring, and you can certainly fall if you're not careful. Alright, you need good trekking shoes for this, and expect your shoes to get really muddy and wet. Really good shoes for ice and snow for this. Let's keep walking. Just when you thought you walk all the way, and on the final flight of stairs, look at that. Here we go. So here we are. Yeah, so after that long trek through slush and mud, we're rewarded with this very unique experience, seeing the snow monkeys around. Now, you don't need to be afraid. If you can't get close to them, they will come close to you. There are some regulations to abide by. Basically, you don't touch them, you don't feed them, just let them be what they're doing, and most of the time they're either soaking or they are just like picking off bugs from each other. It's a really unique experience. Yeah. So was it worth the experience? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's really unique. I think there's no other place in the world that offers this kind of experience, but so it's quite worth the trek. You should try it as long as you're fit. Nice. Do be mindful that these monkeys are essentially wild, so don't go too near them and always be careful. So we did it. Snow Monkey Park. It's not a walk in the park, but it's really worth the walk. Yeah, unique experience.